Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your Clash Royale account. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Clash Royale application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find Clash Royale? You can find Clash Royale on Apple Store or Google Play Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, type Clash Royale and follow through the on-screen prompt to download and install. So after it is done installing, it's going to take you right into this application. All right, it's going to take you right into the application itself, where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time or an exciting gaming experience in Clash Royale. So now that we're here from this homepage, let us learn how to reset a Clash Royale account. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have the three horizontal lines. Click on that. You have this extended menu that says back to log, leaderboards, TV Royale, training camp, tournament, settings, Supercell ID. Go ahead and click on settings and it's going to take you right into the settings window. We have audio, language, name, more settings, help and support. You have privacy, you have parents guide, you have terms of service. So go ahead and click on more settings. Click on more settings. So here we go, delete my account. So if you want to reset your Clash Royale account, then you're going to have to go through this process of deleting your account. So all you need to do is to click on this button that says delete my account. And once your account has been deleted, your everything about Clash Royale, all the golds and all the tournaments that you have played, and just everything about your Clash Royale data is going to be deleted alongside. So you will need to install or reinstall Clash Royale again and follow through with the steps to create a new account or just start afresh. So this is pretty much how to reset your Clash Royale account. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.